Hi, Sousa here. Today I want to show you how to create automations using Getresponse. We do that to filter our lists, to increase our open rates, and to get rid of the leads that don't open so you're not paying for increased cost on your Getresponse for leads that never open an email. So to do this, we're going to use automations. But first I want to show you that I already have a list called Kill Main where I'm filtering some of the leads as they're coming in. And I already have an autoresponder set up for that list with all these messages. So what I want to do is create automations. So when the leads come in, if they open one of these messages, they go to a special VIP list that is the list of people that are opening emails. So that list will have a high open rate, and that'll be my main list as I grow Getresponse to have a high open rate of contacts that are opening emails, and I can broadcast to that list or create autoresponder follow-ups. So to create this automation, I'm going to go over here and click on these dots over here. Click on that and choose automation. And I'm going to create a workflow and I'm going to build it from scratch. Click the first one, start now. The first thing I want to do is name it. So I'm just going to name it Kim Main and choosing the first box, subscribes. So I just click on this so I can edit that. And I'm going to go over here and select a list, a specific list. And it is Kim Main. So when someone is subscribed to Kim Main via any method is what this condition is. Then I want to send them a message. So down here, I'm going to click on send message and drag that over here. Then I'm going to, connect the two. And then I'm going to click here so I can edit this. Select a message to send. So I'm going to click over here and click on autoresponder because the message that I want to send is in that autoresponder series already. I could have just created a new one right here in the automation, but I already have several ready that I want to use. So I selected it from autoresponder and I just need to go find the message, and this is the one. So now Getresponse asks me if I want to copy it as automation, or basically I'm converting it to automation message. Apply. Yes, I want to do that. So now when someone subscribes by any method to Kim Main, they're going to be sent the message, and now I want to see if they open it. So I'm going to click over here on add element and click on message open and just drag that over here. Connect the two. Now, when any newsletter is open, I click there. I got to change it and choose automation message, and then instead of any specific, then select a message, and that's the one I want. So now when that message is sent, if they open it, I can make a condition. But first I want to give instructions for how long Getresponse waits. So down here it says after some time, 1 day. For right now, I'm going to leave it at that. I could change it and make it 0 here and 12 here, and then send them a message every 12 hours to see if they open an email. But for right now, I'm going to set this as 1 day, and I can always change this later. And now I'm going to go click on elements, and I'm going to choose move to list and drag this over here. and click here to connect the two. And now clicking back on this so I can edit it and select the list, Kim VIP. So that's my opener list. And I'm going to click autoresponder cycle, select the cycle day 1, because I actually have autoresponder series set up in that list, and that's also a list that I would broadcast to. So now Getresponse is saying when someone subscribes to Kim Main via any method, they're going to be sent this message, question, I need your help. It's the name of the subject. And then if they open it, they're going to be moved automatically to my opener list, my VIP list. But if they don't open it, so I'm going to click on Add Elements and click Send Message, or drag this over here and then connect the two. And so now if they don't open that email after that day, select a message to send. I'm going to send them another message. So autoresponder, select a message. My next one is, how can I help you? That's the one. Convert it to automation. And like I said, if you don't have a series of emails already set up, you could actually create a new message right here inside the automation. But I already have one, so I'm going to send that message. Now I'm going to add another element. So I want to see if they open that message. Connect the two and change this to a specific message. Automation, specific, and then wait 1 day. So now it's going to send that message. It's going to wait 1 day and see if they opened it. If they opened it, add an element, move to list. Drag this over here, connect the two, and change that to select the list, Kim VIP. Now I'm going to go add an element, send message, connect the two. So if they open this message, how can I help you? Getresponse is going to wait 1 day to see if they opened it. If they did open it, it's going to move them to my VIP list. And I need to change this to day 1. And if they don't open it after 1 day, it's going to send them another message. So I'm going to choose the new message. And that one's going to be this one. And add elements, message open. And so you see I'm just going to repeat the same thing over and over. Send a message and then connect that. And then I need to change this to the specific message, automation, specific, and I got to choose this one that I just sent them. Choose that message. And now when it's opened at this, I want to move them, connect those, select the list, move them to Kim VIP, and select day 1. And then, so you can click and drag these anywhere. If they don't open it after 1 day, I'm going to send them another message. And that message is autoresponder, select a message. Okay, add an element. So I want to see if they open that message. Drag that down here, connect them, and edit this so it's choosing the right message. So there it is. And see, it's going to wait 1 day See, when to assume the condition wasn't met after 1 day. So then I'm going to move to list and connect this. Click on that and change it to Kim VIP and day 1. So it's going to send them the message, my promise to you. If that message is open after a day or within a day, it's going to move them to the VIP list. If they don't open that message, it is going to send them another message. That one is, let's see, I promise to you that one is this one. Why do jerks succeed? Apply. So it's converted to automation. And message open. Connect the two. Now I got to make it that specific message, automation, specific. That one, waiting 1 day. And then if they open it, move them to list. And that's Kim VIP. Select the day. And if they don't open it. Now I'm not going to, I have a few more. I don't want to be repetitive here and just keep doing the same thing over and over. But I think you've got the idea now of what I'm trying to do, and then I'm going to show you how to take them off your list. So just to recap here, when they subscribe to this list via any method, they're going to be sent this message. And this condition is going to say if they open the message, they're going to the VIP list. If they don't, after a day, they're being sent another message. And so on. If they open that one, they go to the VIP list. If they don't, they're being sent to another message. So every day they're getting a new message. And the automation is seeing if they open it, it's moving them to the opener list. If they don't, they get another message. And so this just continues. And then you can add as many as you want. And then when you are done adding your series of emails that you want to try to get them to open with, say you have a series for like 10 emails for a period of 10 days. If after those 10 days they're still in here and they haven't opened an email yet, you want to get rid of them and just delete them entirely from your account, because they're not going to open an email from you and you're just going to be paying for a deadbeat lead. So here's what you do. You're going to click on add an element and go down here and you want remove contact. Drag that over here and I'm clicking on that because I want to remove them from entire account. I'm choosing that and then I'm going to connect the two. Whoops. So after I go through these series of emails, if they still haven't opened an email, if they don't open the last one, then the condition is remove from entire account. And so this is all set. I'll just click save and publish. And that's it. That's how you do it. So if you like that, click like, subscribe, and I'll give you more tutorials. Make it a great day.